Welcome to Top 10 Den, where we provide you with tips and tricks to improve your life. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 ways to improve your memory. 1. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can have a negative impact on your memory. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help your brain consolidate memories. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise improves blood flow and oxygen levels in the brain, which can help improve memory. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation can help improve memory by reducing stress and improving focus. Try practicing mindfulness for 10 minutes each day. 4. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices such as acronyms or rhymes can help you remember information more easily. For example, to remember the order of the planets in our solar system, use the acronym "My very eager mother just served us nachos." 5. Use visualization. Visualizing information can help you remember it more easily. For example, if you need to remember a name, associate it with a visual image. 6. Repeat information. Repetition can help solidify memories in your brain. Repeat information you need to remember out loud or write it down multiple times. 7. Stay organized. Keeping your environment and thoughts organized can help improve memory. Use to-do lists, calendars, and other tools to stay on top of your tasks. 8. Reduce multitasking. Multitasking can make it difficult to remember information. Focus on one task at a time to improve your memory. 9. Challenge your brain. Challenging your brain with new activities such as learning a new language or playing a musical instrument can help improve memory. 10. Stay social. Socializing can help keep your brain active and improve memory. Spend time with friends and family or join social groups to stay connected. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you improve your memory. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos from Top 10 Den.